Hi and welcome to my Amazon video review of this awesome keyboard. It is a SpongeBob SquarePants keyboard, and it's also foldable and rollable, so you can roll it up like this. So it's super compact. And then it's also inflatable. I'll show you that at the end after, because I already have it inflated to the right level. And then this is just a standard USB cable. So in order to type on it, you just plug it in to a computer, like I have my Chromebook, and then start typing. So you're not going to break any records with this because it's really, really hard to type on, but it's also really, really awesome to type on too. It's a full keyboard. I'll show you that later. And let me show you the close-up of the text that I typed on here. And then I'll press the A key, so you can see me pressing the A key and then the backspace key. Okay, so if you want to be super awesome, then get an adapter like this, and you can hook it up to your cell phone. So you click here. Oops. Plug it in like this. And then you can type with your SpongeBob keyboard on your cell phone. And shifting is kind of hard with this. So here is my other test of the SpongeBob keyboard. And so it's got a full number lock. It's got a full number pad, so you can type right here. It's got arrow keys, so you can arrow up and arrow down. Select, shift. So you can select part of it, delete it, just like a regular keyboard. And then I have the Dvorak keyboard, so that's why it doesn't type ASDF. It types AOEU. And a couple of notes about this: the backspace button is super, super tiny, so that's always annoying for me. The enter button's pretty huge. The shift is really hard. I think you saw me doing that, but if you press shift from this side, it only works some of the time, but if you press shift from this side, then it usually works. So besides that, oh, and you have to press pretty hard or pretty solidly down in the middle. So like I said, it would usually do JKL semicolon, but in Dvorak it's HT and S. And okay, it also has number lock, and I'm pressing caps lock, so then it does that same thing, but in all caps. So like I said, just like a regular keyboard. And here's the lights. And then on the back, has this, and I don't know, let me see if we can hold it up to the light. So I don't know if you can see that very well, but it shows, this has 2KRO, which is 2-key rollover, and it has all the circuits that map that out. which you usually can't see in a regular keyboard, but this is pretty cool. So the other thing is, if you want to inflate it so that it is really puffy or deflate it, you actually take this thing out and then blow it up like this. And then you have a super puffy, super inflated keyboard, which this is way too puffy to type on, but I think you can. Oh, it is typing a little bit, but you can inflate it or deflate it to the level that you want. And like I said, this is way too inflated, but it still kind of works. So it's not very functional, like I said, but it is completely awesome. So I would highly recommend it to amaze and amuse your friends and coworkers. And that's my Amazon video review. Thanks very much.